Hi, what makes a premium decoration product? It's not just the design, it's the science on the surface. Welcome to the future of high-speed manufacturing. At the heart of our one-stop solution is the precision rolling coating system. Unlike traditional spraying, our rollers are calibrated to a tolerance of 0.02 millimeters. This ensures 100% uniform coverage. Every inch of your wall panel or flooring receives the exact same thickness, eliminating defects and ensuring flawless mirror-like finish every single time. But the real magic happens here. This is photochemical curing inside this chamber. High-intensity UV lamps trigger an instant chemical reaction. We do not wait for paint to dry. We use light to transform liquid into solid, cross-linked polymer chill. In just 3 seconds, the surface becomes incredibly hard, scratch-resistant and 100% VOC free. It's better for the planet and safe for your home. Because our UV line runs at speeds of up to 20 meters per minute, we offer massive production capacity. For our global partners, this means shorter lead times and consistent high quality across every container. Whether it's heat resistant, moisture protection, or high definition texture, our UV technology delivers a product that stands the test of the time. High-tech machinery, high-quality results. We are your one-stop decoration factory in China. Contact us today and let's bring world-class surface to your next project.